Welcome to Ukulele Hymn. This week I would like to share the Hymn of Promise, and it's going to be in the key of C, and these are the chords you're going to need. C, F, G, D minor, A minor, E minor, and then optionally C7. Let's play through the first verse once through slowly. Hymn is in triple time, so we're going to be using the simple strum down, up, up. In the bulb there is a flower, in the seed an apple tree, in cocoons a hidden promise, butterflies will soon be free. In the cold and snow of winter, there's a spring that waits to be unrevealed until its season, something God alone can see. Okay, grab your song sheets and we'll play through all three verses once through. There is a flower, in the seed an apple tree, in cocoons a hidden promise, butterflies will soon be free. In the cold and snow of winter, there's a spring that waits to be unrevealed until its season, something God alone can see. There's a song in every silence, seeking word and melody. There's a dawn in every darkness, bringing hope to you and me. From the past will come the future, what it holds a mystery, unrevealed until its season, something God alone can see. In our end is our beginning, in our time infinity, in our doubt there is believing, in our life eternity, in our death a resurrection, at the last a victory, unrevealed until its season, something God alone can see. That was Hymn of Promise. It's a very beautiful hymn, pretty simple tune as well. Hope you enjoy learning it as much as I did. See you next time.